Hello. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to deploy a React.js app in Google Firebase. So first thing you have to do is you go to firebase.google.com, or you search it on Google just Firebase. You get the website, you go to firebase.google.com. Now, if you're logged into any Gmail account, it will automatically use the Gmail account unless you come and select a different account. You can choose to use the default account there. So when you open Firebase, you go to console. This is free hosting of React.js application on Firebase, totally free. So when you open the console, my network is kind of slow tonight, I don't know why. You create a project. Now the name of the project can be anything, but let's say my React. Okay. So the name here can be anything, but the one under here will be the website name. .web.app. So make sure you choose what you want to be the website name. If it doesn't rhyme with click accept, continue. For the purposes of this, I won't be needing Google Analytics, so I'll turn off Google Analytics. Create project. It takes a little bit of time usually, so it's not surprising. Your Firebase project is ready. I click on continue. Now that everything is ready on the project, I'll click on build and click on hosting, because that's the only thing I need in this project. So I'm going straight to hosting. I click on build and hosting, get started. Now you run this on your terminal, but you only have to run it once. Then if you want to use Firebase in the future times, you don't have to run it again. But for here, I will skip it because I already have it run on my own. And in your project, you click on Firebase login. So this is my project. For a test project, I have this SharePoint page. So I'll just extract here. This page. So I'll just import this, drag and drop it into my Visual Studio environment. Once it opens, this is the project, a React build project that I want to deploy in Google Firebase. So I'll go to terminal, new terminal. Now in the new terminal, I'll paste what they gave us here, Firebase login. I'll paste here. Enter. Allow Firebase to collect CLI and emulate suitable. Yes, you press Y and enter. It will then want to sign in to the account you're currently logged in. So I choose the one I'm currently logged in, the one I created the project in. Choose the specific account and continue. It wants to log in the CLI. Now Firebase CLI login successful. For you to be able to manipulate your website from your command prompt. So the next thing here, if you check the project, you'll see that it says successfully logged on. So the next thing here, I click Firebase edit to initialize Firebase in this project. I click enter. Are you ready to proceed? Yes. Y for yes, N for no. I scroll down with the direction button. I choose hosting configure files option. Now this one, I press space bar to select it and then enter. Use an existing project. I already created a project in Firebase just now, so we'll use an existing project. Enter the project name. This is the project. If you can remember, the project we just created now. Add on. Click enter. Now, what do you want to use as your public directory? As you can see here, I have a build folder. This is the only folder in my work, so I'm going to write build here instead of that public. I'll write build. Click enter. Configure as a single page application. Y for yes. Click Y. I press Y and enter. No. Enter. Enough for no. Enter. That's it. I'm done configuring Firebase. So I'm just gonna have to deploy now. Next. You just click, copy the next one. This is Firebase deploy and run it here. If you now deploy this folder build as a single page application in my Firebase console. Once it's done deploying, this is the link of the website I just deployed on Firebase. This is the link. But before I go to the link, I'll just go back to the Firebase and click continue to console. As you can see, current release I just released. Now I want to test the link of the React site I just deployed on Firebase, and this is it. This is the link.